My name is Messiah, and the hardest part about this is that I had to use needles. Well, I had to use nails to put this inside, but now I think that the thing is gone. And the hardest part about this was the part where I had to glue this on painted and had to put the needle through, which it was hard. We discovered that now this is loose, but I love the part about how this is. And my name is on the plate, as you can see. It's covered with paint, and it rolls. The favorite part about it is that the painting, and I really, really love it.